In a ceremony aimed at promoting nation building and community development, Cornerstone University has conferred honorary doctorate degrees on prominent Nigerians, including Chief Dr. Timothy Tiza Tarnongo, National President of Tyoshin Development Association, Benue State, where the 32nd Public Service Lecture Series and Award Ceremony has just taken place. Organized by Cornerstone University, Jerusalem, Israel, in partnership with Chronicle Business School Nigeria, the event brought together distinguished guests, academics, and professionals to discuss nation building and community development.
Our commitment is not just to educate, but to empower, inspire, and open doors of opportunity that will positively impact lives and the community across Nigeria and beyond. We firmly believe that by investing in these youth today, we are building leaders of tomorrow and securing the foundation of national development.
Associate Professor Godwin Naitse, Country Director of Cornerstone University, urged the awardees to demonstrate leadership and innovation, creating opportunities for their communities and the nation, while Chairman of the occasion, Ambassador Dr. Jude Shagbor Aondowase, charged the awardees to continue contributing to the development of society.
Not just impact knowledge, but also appreciate and recognize those who are making contribution to the society. So I want to congratulate those who are being conferred with this fellowship award. It's a call to duty, call to action for you to do more what you're already doing in the society, and also to contribute to humanity.
The guest speaker, Dr. Joe Bright Enemuna Audu, Provost, Institute of African Church Movement, presented a paper emphasizing Nigeria's potential to become a great nation, but stressed that nation building requires collective efforts from citizens, civil society, and private sectors.
Nation building is a continuous process that requires collective effort and responsibility from all citizens. By working together, Nigerians can build a prosperous, stable, and united nation. Your effort plus my effort equals our responsibility. Let us put our heads together, and not only our hands alone, and we shall be there as expected by the grace of God.
Responding on behalf of the honorees, Chief Dr. Timothy Tiza Tarnongo dedicated his honor to those working towards a united, progressive, and prosperous Benue, reaffirming his commitment to service and empowerment.
Together here, and I think it's an avenue for us to keep this umbrella so that we can together form a stronger force, so that we can now build a better Nigeria and a better system, because this team I see beyond just here. I see it as pilot. If I bring in my own little contribution, you bring yours from the eastern part.
The conferment came with the presentation of an academic gown and hood, a pair of international leadership gold medals, and a special publication, Spotlight, featuring his enduring legacy of vision, compassion, and excellence.
And a place to